There's a serious issue with my psychology that I discovered yesterday. Today's Thursday, and yesterday I did take a trade. The trade recap will be coming after this next clip of me talking. But yeah, there's a big psychology issue that I need to fix. Basically what happened yesterday is that I wanted to long, I'm sure you guys saw in the previous recap, I did want a long for Wednesday. And let's just say the longs came, but I was A, too early, and B, I tried to counter trade. Broke two rules. And yeah, first entry was on a 5-minute break, and of course I got stopped out because you break your rules, you're gonna get stopped out. I have an urgency issue where it feels like I need to make money, which I need to solve. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. It's one of those things where it's just gonna take a lot of self-reflection and journaling. But yeah, as I was saying, I think journaling trades is really powerful. And it's something I lacked doing. I've started doing it now. But obviously everything has a delayed effect. If you start working out now, you're not going to get your dream body in a week. It's going to take at least a year or 6 months at the minimum, depending where you're starting from. But yeah, the urgency to make money is really making me lose a lot of trades. And also FOMO is another one. It's like I feel like I need to make money. Like as soon as the day started yesterday, I kind of knew it wasn't really a trading day just by how price was moving. So I should have left it, but did I leave it? No. I stuck on the chart and I tried to get something. And yeah, that's a big issue, and it cost me. So over the past 2 days, well 3 now. So Monday and Tuesday I was up 6,000, and then I burnt through 2,000 yesterday, when realistically I should have just A, not taken a trade, but also B, I should have just never ever counter traded it. If I only took it for the first trade, I would have been down, sorry, 0.5%. So I would have still had 5.5%, 5,500. But yeah, burning through 2,000 felt like shit, first of all. And second of all, now we're only up 4%. So 4,000 for the week, when it should have been 6%. I shouldn't have even traded yesterday, and if I did trade, the trade would have came really late, and it would have TP'd. And we would have been up over 7.3%. But yeah, it's just one of those that I need to think about, and I need to sort the issue because it's an internal psychological issue. I don't think it's anything to do with my trading or strat. I feel pretty confident in my technical analysis. I know where the market wants to go. It's just execution errors, and FOMO. But yeah, should be a trade today. But let's get on to yesterday's trading recap, and yeah. Alright, so on to yesterday's trade, and I can show you what happened just here. So we had obviously Asia, London, New York. Okay, cool. So I started looking at the chart about here, and as you can see, we swept. However, we swept pre-London, so I did want to wait for another sweep. So we swept here, swept London here perfectly. I think this trade might just play out in 3 minutes. Swept London perfectly, and I waited for a 5-minute break when it should have been a 15-minute break. So my first entry was here. Let me just remove these two. Perfect. First entry was here. And yeah, as you can see, that did not play out very well, purely because I should have waited for 15 because the 1 hour is down. I was targeting this high, which took the risk to reward to 1 to 3. Could have even targeted the very high, but yeah. And then when we did get the 15-minute break is when I should have placed my trade. The 15-minute break was, call it this one here. If you put that there. Stop loss under the low. It wasn't a great risk to reward, but it still would have made us money. I was going to target here purely because of this area down here, which was a daily sweep as well. And that would have brought the risk to rewards pretty much to a 1-to-1, which I shouldn't have even traded. So my bias originally was leave this alone, don't trade for the day, purely because of how the market was moving. You can see how slow it was, and yeah, it was just going down. However, I did know we were going to go up for one more time, and yeah, we did. We're in this huge channel. I don't like to play channels. This is just to track the momentum and the general trend of the market. But yeah, instead what I did was I took a short. So we had swept this 1 hour liquidity sweep, and I decided to short, and yeah, as we can see, we got stopped out. So we lost $2,000, which is quite sour. There's not much to say. I pretty much explained in the beginning of this video why I did what I did and how it went wrong. It's a psychology issue that I need to fix. And yeah, apart from that, there's not much else I can do. And now focusing on today, we might have a trade just now. We have swept London, and we might get a 5-minute breakdown, and I'll probably target these two lows. And yeah, it would be a really nice trade, but we'll see what we get. That will be in tomorrow's video. But yeah, for today's video, there's not much else to say apart from me being stupid and silly. Could have been a very easy day if I had just followed rules. I probably could have gotten a even better 15-minute break. Obviously, that was just one that I saw straight away. That was nearly a 15. I could have entered here, and that would have made the risk to reward 1 to 1.3. And that is the trade I was talking about. Could have made 1.3k yesterday, but instead I lost 2k like an idiot. But yeah, you live and you learn. It is a psychology issue that I need to fix at the end of the day, and now I'm repeating myself. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys found this useful, and yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I should take a good trade, and yeah, thank you.